Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is volume 11 of the daily Forex update. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, do well to click on the subscribe button and smash the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you will get notified as soon as possible. So today was the FOMC, and just as it was expected, the Fed has increased interest rates by 25 basis points. So as it stands now, US interest rate set at 5.5%. And the market, we didn't really see any movement in the market, just as we normally see whenever there is an FOMC. All right, it's one of those things. Yes, I think people, I think it was obvious. It was obvious that there's going to be that increment. So we didn't really see that volatility that we normally see most of the time when there is FOMC. So the market was silent. So that is just that for today. So going into tomorrow, we look at what is yet to happen. We're starting with the economic news calendar. So for tomorrow, July 27, 2023, we have the GfK consumer confidence for Germany, so far as Euro is concerned. We have retail sales month over month for the month of June for Spain, also within the Eurozone. We also have unemployment rate for the second quarter for Spain. We have retail sales year over year for the month of June, so far as Spain is concerned. And we have Bank Austria manufacturing PMI for the month of July. And we have a deposit facility deposit facility rate for the Eurozone. All right, so we'll look at what is yet to happen within that. And we have ECB interest rate decision. The interest rate in the Eurozone currently sits at 4%, and they are looking at increasing it by 25 basis points. So we see what will happen tomorrow. And we also have USD initial jobless claims, claim 4-week average. We have continuing jobless claims. We have durable goods orders ex defense month over month. We have the durable goods orders for transport month over month for the month of June. We have durable goods orders month over month for the month of June. We have goods trade balance for the month of June. We have GDP growth rate for the second quarter, all USD. All right, so these are the USD high impact news we expect to see on the market tomorrow. And we have the ECB press conference for the Eurozone. All right, so just as is normally done with the US Fed interest rate announcement, right after that we have a press conference, and then similar thing to apply to the Eurozone. Right after their interest rate announcement, they also have a press conference. So that is what is yet to happen. So far as tomorrow, July 27, 2023 is concerned. So that is just that for the economic news calendar for tomorrow. Let's look at what is happening on the chart. We normally start with the dollar index. So for the dollar index, yesterday I made you aware that I will wait for the FOMC to give me a clue as to where the dollar index is going to move to. All right, and look at what happened. We've taken out the previous day's low. All right, yes, we've taken out the previous day's low. So as it stands now, going into tomorrow, I'll look at the dollar index continuing to push to the downside. So a little bit push to the upside, then we see a shift to the downside, taking out the low that was made on Wednesday as at the time of this recording. All right, so I'll be looking for bearish prices on the dollar index going into tomorrow. All right, so that is just that for the dollar index. Let's look at what is happening on GBPUSD. So for GBPUSD, we've seen a bullish movement for some days now. I think it began on, let's see, I think the bullish trend began on Tuesday. That was definitely yesterday. All right, we saw price taking out this buy side liquidity, taking out the previous day's highs, and as it stands now, price is still looking bullish. So going into tomorrow, I would wait for price to give us some little bit of retracement back into these other blocks. All right, so I will take these bearish candles here as my order block, because that's the last down close kind of prior to the impulse move to the upside. So I want to see price retrace a little bit into the zone, then we see a continuation to the upside. So at the moment, I'm bullish on GBPUSD. Yeah, so that is just that for GBPUSD. Let's look at what is happening on USDCAD. Well, for USDCAD, let's switch the daily first before we come back to the 1 hour. So for the daily, we realize that price is still looking bullish. Yes. So far as this swing low hasn't been violated, USDCAD still looks bullish to me. All right. And don't be surprised, dollar index is looking bearish and USDCAD is looking bullish. It happens most of the time. Per my experience on the market, it happens most of the time. You see the dollar index moving to the downside, and surprisingly, you see USDCAD moving to the upside. It's one of those things. All right. Yeah. So for me, these things like this, it's normal. The most important thing is look at what price is doing and follow suit. All right. As it stands now, it looks bullish, but USDCAD is in a state of consolidation at the moment. All right. We haven't had a clear direction for some days now on USDCAD. So, but we can take advantage, or we can take interest, intraday opportunities. All right. Yes. Already you've seen price taking out this buy side liquidity of taking out this high. All right. Yes. And price closed below this low. All right. Yes. It was just a liquidity grab. So as it stands now, I want to see price going into tomorrow. We see a little bit move to the upside, then we see a drop taking out this swing low right here. All right. Yes. So, and I think that is going to give us about, let me see, that will give us about almost 70 pips. All right. Yes. And that is very fine for an intraday movement. So that is how I'm going to approach USDCAD so far as tomorrow is concerned. So kindly take note of that. So that is just that for USDCAD. Let's look at what is happening on GBPJPY. For GBPJPY, price is looking bullish at the moment. All right. Yes. Because once price took out this low right here, price took out this previous daily low, you saw price moving to the upside, taking out these buy side liquidities, and you've seen price coming back into the zone, and currently we are seeing price moving to the upside. So I'll take this zone here as my breaker block, bullish breaker block. I don't want to see price violate this zone right here. All right, I want to see price at least move a little bit into the zone, then we see a push to the upside. So currently I'm bullish on GBPJPY, and this is how I'm going to approach the market, or this is how I'm going to approach GBPJPY so far as tomorrow is concerned. Yeah, so that is just that for the daily Forex update. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and smash the notification bell so that you will get notified whenever I post a new video. Right, this will also give someone who is yet to discover this channel the opportunity to see whatever I'm giving out here, so that the person will also benefit from it. All right, don't forget to like and let me see your comments as well. So if you're not part of the Clairvoyant Traders Telegram community, check the description box below. The link is there. Click on it and be part of the Clairvoyant Traders Telegram community. I'll come your way again another time. Peace.